Hello everyone, I am Chris James D. Nakila, but you can call me CJ for short. So I am 22 years old, born in December 24, 2002, and I'm currently living in BF Better Living Basak, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. So I'm studying in University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, Mandawi, and I'm taking the course of Bachelor in Science Information Technology. So, why should SIMP accept my internship application? So first, hardworking. I pride myself on being a hardworking individual where challenges demand dedication and persistence. Whether it's troubleshooting complex systems or meeting tight deadlines, I always give my 100% to ensure that tasks are complete efficiently and effectively. So first, so I can also be a leader to a team and I will make sure that we all cooperate and that everyone is heard because I know everyone has their own potential. So, I can also be a leader to a team and I will make sure that we all My passion for growth keeps me motivated. The ever evolving nature of technology excites me and I actively pursue opportunities to learn new skills, adapt to the industry trends, and stay ahead in this fast paced field. Even if I'm not that good in this industry, I'll give my very best shot to prove to you that I'm still worthy of this company. So, good employee. So, being a good employee means more than just doing your job. For me, it's about maintaining a positive attitude, supporting my colleagues, and contributing to a healthy work environment. Mutual respect and accountability are core to my work ethic. And lastly, time management is a skill I hold. Balancing multiple priorities, setting realistic goals, and staying organized has been the key to my success. By managing my time wisely, I ensure you productivity without compromising quality. In short, I'm committed to excellence, collaboration, and continuous improvement to everything I do. Thanks for watching and listening. So, if you want to contact me or reach out to me, this is my Gmail, nakilacj at gmail.com, and my Facebook is CJ Nakila, and my contact number is 09063786 401. Thank you, sir, and goodbye. Peace.